Hello everyone, again welcome to this 3 days online short-term training program on preparing smart videos with animations using PowerPoint. So in this series, first of all, we are learning about adding animations in the PowerPoint. So in this video, we are going to learn the entrance and motion, okay, and that too on the text. So let us start. Now see, as far as animations are concerned, you already know we are having 4 options: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion pass. So out of these, entrance, emphasis and exit options are already we learned in the previous videos. In this video we will see the motion paths, how to use motion paths. Okay, so let us start. Now if I am having text like left corner, right corner, center and bottom, I just want to tell them that about the left corner, where is the left corner, where is the right corner, where is the center and where is the bottom. Okay, so text are already appeared on the screen. Now where is left corner? Yeah, this is left corner, so my text is going to left corner, and this is right corner, yeah, and this is center and this is bottom. Wow. So what is happening here? The text is appearing on your screen and it is changing its position. It is moving. It is changing its position on click. It is changing its position on click according to your need. So at center, at left corner, at right corner, wherever. Okay. So how to do this? Let us learn. It is very simple, guys. Okay. So I am just selecting the same slide and copy and pasting it. Okay. So I'm pasting the same slide. Now I'm going to animation, and first of all I will remove all these animations. Okay, so first of all I will remove, so I'm selecting none option. So I'm selecting all the text and none, it means I have removed all the animations from this slide. Now I have just typed left corner, right corner, center and bottom. So first of all I just want to appear them on the slide one by one. Okay, now just remember one thing, just notice one thing here, the left, this is one text box, this is second text box, this is third and this is fourth. So I have just used 4 different text boxes. In the previous videos we have used only one text box. Okay, but as we here we want to move each and every text here and there, so just use the different or separate text boxes. So this first text box, second text box, third text box and fourth text box. So I am selecting all the text boxes. So this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I have selected the 4 text boxes. I am going to animations, and then I will add the animation. First of all I want entrance effect. So many varieties are there, so just try something new. Okay, this is looking very nice. Yeah, grow and turn, this is looking very nice. Yeah, grow and turn, so I am using grow and turn. You can use according to your choice, according to you need, no need. Okay, no, it is not a big deal. Even I can use bounce like this. The bounce option is very nice option, bounce. Okay, so the text will get bounce on your slide, but here we will use the grow and corner. So I am selecting grow and corner. Then you know that I want one by one, so I will go to the start and I will choose the on click option. So how it will look like, slideshow from current slide. So on first click left corner, on second click right corner, on third click center and on fourth click bottom. Now next what should happen? If I am clicking, the left corner should go to the left corner, the right corner text should go to the right corner, the center text should come to the center and the bottom text should go to the bottom. So now we have to again add the animation. So what need to do? See, so first of all select the left corner, then go to animations, then go to add animations, and now choose the motion paths because we want to move it. Okay, so motion paths. Now in motion path we are having so many options like lines, like arc, like turns, like shapes, like loops. But here we have to customize the path. Here we have to customize the path. So use custom paths. Okay, so I am using custom path option. So after clicking on the custom path option, okay, so now you just put the cursor over here and I want to take it over here now. So I just clicking like this, double click, so it will go like this. Okay, but it is going out of screen, so I will just adjust it. I will just adjust it, and I will just look for it whether it is correct or not. So left corner, right corner, center, bottom, left corner. Yeah, some slight change required there, so I am just selecting it. We are having this facility. It's very simple. Just select it and just move it somewhere here. So now let us see whether it is doing correctly or not. So left corner, yeah, it is left corner, so it is right. Okay, so I have just added animation to the left corner. Then I am selecting right corner. I am going to animations. I am going to add animations. I am going to motion path, then custom path. I am selecting custom path. So I am choosing right corner. I am clicking here. Then I am just moving it, the cursor moving it, and I am double clicking here. So double click it. So let us see. Okay. It's nice, but some adjustment is required. So if I do like this, so let us see, just see it slideshow from current slide. Right, center, bottom, left corner, and this is right corner. Yeah, it is perfect. Okay, no, it is not yet perfect. So you can adjust it, no doubt you can adjust it. Like somewhere I required it here. Okay, so again see left corner and right corner. Yeah, okay. So if you are satisfied, then it's okay. Now if I want this center text should come to the center, so I am selecting center. I am going to animations, then add animations. I am choosing the custom path, and I am just moving it over here. So let us see. Yeah, some adjustment is required here. Okay, so it is okay now. So from left corner, right corner, center, bottom, left corner, right corner, and then center is coming to the center. Yeah, it is coming to the center. Okay, very good. Now next we have to move this bottom to the bottom. So it is selecting bottom, animations, add animation, again choose the custom path, and then I want to move it over here. So okay. Yeah, it is coming to the bottom, but at bottom center I want, so I'm just adjusting it. So again, just see it. So we are having left corner, we are having right corner, center, bottom, then this is the left corner, this is the right corner, this is the center, and this is the bottom. Very nice. Okay, so what we have done here, we have just entered the text on the screen, and we have moved it, okay, by using the motion path. It is very simple, and this slide is looking like this. Okay, so this is how we can do it. So you please try it, how we can move the text here and there. Okay, so adding animations onto the text is very simple, and it is not required so much. Okay, adding animation to the text is not required so much. So in the next video we will add animation to the objects. That is very important, and many of you are here to learn how to add animations to the object, so that we can design any object, we can design any machine, we can design any stuff, and we can have animations in that, so that your slides will look live. Okay, so in next video we will learn adding animations to the object. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.